Use one of those skinnier tools. Yeah.
Wait, is there a line right here?
No, that's just the silicone where the shower door was sealed.
Do I need to go get a crowbar?
Yeah.
Any girl just bounce that booty. Can it just bounce? Can it just bounce, bounce? Can it just bounce? Can it just bounce, bounce? Can it just bounce? Can it just bounce?
It's so uncomfortable with all that, Mommy.
You don't like those shoes with the fur inside?
Because of that.
Collects debris. Ugh. So we're getting our shoes on to go get Mr. Ron's extra trash can. Okay, happier with those tennis shoes? All right, so our plan is to go get Mr. Ron's extra trash can. Because here is all the debris from just the old flooring tear out, baseboards, 40-year-old vinyl. So we're gonna have to get that hauled off today, hopefully.